Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today we are in the farm and we are going to create a vlog. So let's start this vlog, and my name is Noordin and his name is Happy,
Yes, hello guys, my name is Happy and I am from UP
and I have been learning English since last 1 year.
and I have been learning spoken English since last 8 months.
So let's start this session. So do you have any question you may
Yes,
ask?
I have one question about English. Okay, if a person who wants to learn English, what does he do?
Okay, if he does not have any partner, so how can he practice?
Yes,
Okay, if a person who does not have any partner, first point or first my opinion is I made a group, he
Yes.
can join it and we would practice there. We all are beginner
okay,
and I will suggest him if somewhere he would be wrong. And the second one is if you are doing some work, you can use English here, sorry, there. Like
Okay.
suppose you are solving mathematics question and you are studying, and leave it all things if you are doing work in farm.
Okay.
Like I have reached here, you can say I have reached here, then after that I have to cut some sugar cane, then after that I would have to this work. You can use English there also. And if your all family member are there, you can use in your mind. You should not speak in English out of my mouth, because your family member would say you he is mad, he is mumbling, because no one is with him. That's
Okay.
why they will show you. Yeah.
okay.
And
But,
and
and,
third one is if you have a big
mirror.
mirror, you may practice with in front of it.
Okay.
You may stand it, then you may practice.
Okay, if a person he alone at home, how does he do practice at home, and how can improve his English from his self? I want to know about it.
Okay. If a
Yes.
person who is alone at home,
Yes.
like many girls,
Yes.
they can't go somewhere and they are at home.
Yes.
They can't do such as these things, as I mentioned in farm, related to farm. Many girls and who are in the city, they can't go in somewhere. They are at home
Yes.
and they can practice while working. Like many girls who cooks food, they can use English there. Like suppose there is a girl and she is going to prepare some foods. She can say, I need this product, I need this product, I need some veggies.
Okay.
Then she may use English everywhere whenever she wants. So that things she can apply.
And what do you think about English? What is English in our life?
Okay.
And how can we use it method?
Okay.
I know.
If I talk about English, this is a language.
Okay.
Whenever we live that kind of environment, we would be adapted and we would be dhalna, how to say?
Dalna. Sorry.
Yeah, we would be adapt
Okay.
this type of environment. Like suppose you are living in a foreign country,
Okay.
there are people who they speak other language, like they speak Punjabi. If someone is living in Punjab,
Okay.
he can be speak English, he can be speak Punjabi easily because he is living this type of environment. And if I talk about foreign country, if someone is living in China, they can learn Chinese bhasha also there.
Okay.
Chinese language means there.
Okay.
Why? Because he is living this type of environment. And English also, because many people use English there.
Okay.
Yeah, this type of things they can apply easily.
And how can he improve it quickly? If I talk about a person, he wants to learn English in 3 to 4 months. How can do these things
Okay,
in
okay.
3 months?
It's depend on a student. Like
Okay.
suppose you were studying in Hindi medium school,
Yes.
you would have to face many problems. Like firstly, you have to learn many vocabularies because you were in
You were
Hindi
not-
medium. Yes,
you
because
were
you
not
were
about
Hindi
vocabulary.
medium were.
Yes.
Yes, and if you were a English medium student,
Okay.
like you used to study in English medium,
Yes.
you would not need any vocabulary. You would not need to learn any vocabulary.
Because
Only
you know
you
about
would have to
earlier.
practice. Yes, and you would understand easily. And if you are a Hindi medium, first of all you would have to learn vocabulary, then you would have to make habit to speak English.
And a Hindi medium student, how many months can take to improve
Yeah.
his English?
Yeah,
I
it's
know about
depend. It's depend who wants to learn English and who was Hindi medium student
Yes.
earlier. It's
Okay.
depend on him, because if he is going to give 7 to 8 hour in a day
Okay.
to practice English and to learn new things, so he may learn within 4 to 5th month. And if a person who is not good and who is good with, at it, so it would be he would be fluent within days.
Okay, days.
Yes, many months only, few months,
Oh, I think
like 2 to 3 months.
it will. He will take months. I think, not a day.
Yeah, he would take 2 to 3 months almost.
2 to 3 months.
Yes, and if a person who can't understand English and who is on zero, like
Okay.
even
And,
11th 11,
that person should join any coaching center
yeah, it's
to improve his spoken English.
yeah, they should
this
join,
thing.
because they don't know how to practice. And I have seen many YouTube channel, they provide many structure, but we don't know about it, and
Yes.
they don't provide us all structure. And whenever we choose some YouTube channel, means पीछा करना, whenever we follow all of them, then they would not provide us to good facilities. I have followed many channel, but
Okay.
that's why I had to go to a coaching center. I had joined it. Then I learned there many grammatical rule that would help me a lot.
And how many months
It's
have you
depend.
completed your spoken English?
Okay, it's depend on me, because nowadays I'm busy. I'm preparing for my exam, as I mentioned earlier also.
Yes.
If I am not busy nowadays, so I would have learnt it almost 1 to 2 months
Okay.
only, because nowadays I'm not practicing that much. But earlier I used to practice. I became fluent in it, but I forgot somewhere because I couldn't practice daily basis. I was busy and I had some work.
I think we should finish it.
Yeah, we are going to finish it. So if you liked this vlog,
Yes.
so don't forget like, share and subscribe.